We've turned our bodies back into ourselves. Now I think you're ready to meet my friend, Zoe the Zoologist. I wonder what a zoologist might be. Now, have you ever been to a zoo before? Do people or do animals live at the zoo? Animals live at the zoo. And my friend Zoe the Zoologist studies animals. That's her job. Now, Zoe is an imaginary character. We'll be using our imagination to play with Zoe. And here's how. I have with me this hat and this scarf, and this is part of Zoe's costume. Now, you may have seen a friend or a neighbor or someone dress up in a costume for a school production, or maybe if they celebrate Halloween, you've seen them dressed up before. This costume is very similar to that. We're going to use our imaginations to pretend that Miss Irene has turned herself into Zoe the Zoologist. But I need your help to transform. We're all going to count to 5 together, very slowly. And when we get to 5, I will turn around and I will no longer be Miss Irene. I will be Zoe the Zoologist. All right, I'm going to turn my back around and we're going to very slowly count all the way to 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well, hello there. How are all of you doing today? Well, it's very nice to meet you. My name is Zoe the Zoologist, and I'm from a place called Australia. It's a continent just like Africa, and it's also a country. And I travelled all the way from Australia to be here in Africa, to learn about all the different African animals and how they move their bodies. You see, I'm trying to put together an African jungle dance. But first I have to learn about all these different African animals. Now I hear that you and your friends just went on an African safari. Do you guys think you could show me how all those animals move their bodies? You do? Oh, well, that's so exciting. All right. First things first, can you show me how a snapping crocodile moves? Wow. Now, how many arms are you using to show me that snapping crocodile? Looks like you're using 2 arms. Can you describe to me how your arms are moving? All right. Wow, that's very interesting. Let's see if I can do that. Okay, I'm going to use 2 arms and I'm going to move them together and apart. Are you guys ready? Here we go. Is that how a snapping crocodile moves? It's not? Oh man, that's really, really hard. All right, you guys are such excellent teachers and you're so patient with me. It's taken me a little extra time to get it. How about you show me again how a snapping crocodile moves his body? Oh, wow. That's really interesting. Okay, you're still using 2 arms. Oh, and you're snapping them together. All right, I think I can snap my 2 arms together. Are you guys ready? Okay, I think I can do it. Here we go. Is that right? Am I doing it? Oh, I'm not? Oh man, this is really hard. Oh, do it like... All right, show me one more time. I'm sure I can get it. Sometimes it takes me just a little bit longer to learn something, and that's all right. It's really important to be patient with your friends and with yourselves when it's taking you a little while to learn something new. All right, let me see you guys. Show me the snapping crocodile one more time. Oh, okay, I see how you're doing that. Okay, so I'm supposed to move my 2 arms up and down. Is that right? Oh, well, I think I'm starting to get it. All right, here we go. Zoe the Zoologist is going to move her 2 arms up and down. Here we go. Is that right? No, it's not. Oh, man. Thank you so much for being so encouraging and so patient with me. But you know, maybe this snapping crocodile is not my strong suit. How about you show me, a prowling lion? Wow. Well, I can really see you prowling with your arms and your legs. Oh, you know what? I heard that lions like to roar. Can you show me on the count of 3 how your lion roars? And I'll see if I can learn how to do that. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Wow, very scary lion roar. Do you guys think I can do that? All right, here we go. I'm going to try my hardest to do a really scary lion roar. Was that it? No. Oh man, this is hard. You guys make it look so easy. You're so good at this. All right, let's see. How about one more time, on the count of 3, you show me how to do that roaring lion again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Wow. That is a very scary roaring lion. All right, let's see if I can do that. Now, it sounds like you're opening your mouth really wide. I can see that. And it looks like you're showing your what? Oh, your teeth. Yeah, very scary lion teeth. All right, I see you showing your teeth. And you're making a sound that's like what? It's kind of loud. Kind of like a grumble. Okay, let's see if I can do that. Here we go. Is this it? Are you really like a lion? No. Oh man, this lion beats even harder than the crocodile. All right, let's see. All right, I know I said one last time, but let's for real. Just one final lion roar. You better make this one the biggest one yet. It's gonna be the final time for you to show me your very scary lion roar. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Wow, that is an excellent lion roar. It looked like you were using your paws and your claws. Wow, you even had a furrowed brow and your teeth were definitely up. Let's see if I can use my hands too. Here we go. I'm going to try my lion roar for the final time. I think I got it, guys. I think I got it this time. Here we go. Patient and understanding and helping to explain it for me bit by bit. It's really important sometimes when someone's not quite sure what's going on or can't quite understand to break it down into little pieces, and you guys did an excellent job doing that. Okay, we've tried a snapping crocodile, we've tried a roaring lion, but there are other animals in our African safari that I can try to learn how to move like and sound like. Okay, you know what? How about we try to move our bodies like a slithering snake? Wow! I wonder if you can use your 2 arms to slither like a slithering snake the way that you did on the African safari. Can you show me what your slithering snake looks like with your 2 arms wiggling around? Yeah, let's see them wriggle here, there and everywhere. Wow, you're doing a really good job with that. Okay, you know what, maybe I can learn how to wriggle my arms like a slithering snake. Okay, I think I can do that. Here we go. I'm going to use my 2 arms to wriggle like a slithering snake. Here we go. All right. Is this slithering like a snake? I'm using my 2 arms and I'm moving them around. It's not quite like a slithering snake. All right, slithering snakes are hard. But you know what? Slithering snakes make a particular sound. I wonder if you guys can demonstrate the sound that a slithering snake makes. All right, on the count of 3, I want you to use your slithering arms and to make your snake sound really, really loud. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! You guys are really good at that slithering snake. Wow, you're really making an interesting sound. Looks like you're pushing the air out through your 2 teeth. Okay, let's see if I can make that sound. I think I can do it. All right, here we go. Was that like a slithering snake? No. And it wasn't very ladylike, was it? Oh no, that was really hard. Okay, you know what? You guys are just so good at these. Final time. All right, show me one last time what your slithering snake looks like on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. me! Wow, you really are good at that slithering snake. All right, okay. I'm going to try to use my two arms wriggling around and making the sound of a slithering snake. Here we go. Choo-choo! 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 Is that like a slithering snake? But I was using my two arms and I was making a sound. Oh man, you know what? You guys are excellent friends. You're being really patient with me and really encouraging, even if we're having a laugh together about how silly I can be sometimes when I'm trying to learn something new. It's super important to be patient with yourself when you're trying to learn something new, and it's okay if you don't get it right the first time. Okay, we've tried a snapping crocodile. We've tried a roaring lion. We've tried a slithering snake. But there are other animals I can learn to move like. Okay, how about an elephant? Wow, an elephant. Well, an elephant has a very long nose. Do you know what that long nose is called? Yeah, it's called a trunk. Can I see what your elephant trunk looks like? Wow, that's very impressive. Can I hear what your elephant sound like? Wow! Wow, that's really good. You're really good at that. All right. Can you show me how an elephant stomps in place? Stomp, 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 stomp. Wow, you're really good at stomping in place just like an elephant. All right, let's see if I can figure out how to move my body like an elephant. All right, let's see if I can move my trunk. Here we go. I'm going to put my trunk up in the sky and down to the ground to get some tasty water. Here we go. Is that right? Am I getting it? No, I'm not. Oh, I'm using my legs instead of my arms. You guys were using your arms and I was using my legs. I'm supposed to use my arms, that's right. I'm supposed to try to use my arms to move up and down. All right, let's see if I can move my arms up and down, just like the trunk of an elephant. Here we go. Is this right? No, not quite. But I'm using my arms up and down like an elephant. Oh, all right, okay. You know what, these are getting harder and harder, but you guys are still being really patient with me and understanding. Okay, now, let's see if we can try stomping in place again. Just like that elephant in our African safari. Ready? Here we go. Show me with your body how that elephant stomps. Stomp, 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 stomp. Excellent. Wow, you're really good at stomping in place just like an elephant. Let's see if I can figure out how to move my body like an elephant. Here we go. Stomping one leg at a time. All right. Stomp, 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 stomp. Am I stomping my legs? One at a time. I'm not stomping my legs at all. Oh man, an elephant's even harder than a crocodile and all the other animals as well. Now let's see here. We've tried turning our bodies into a lot of different kinds of animals, and you guys have been so patient showing me how to do that myself, even though I'm struggling just a little bit. Now, there are other animals left, like the giraffe and like the monkey. Let's try those really quickly and see if I can figure that out. Now, can you show me how to glide like your giraffe? Wow. First you want to stretch your arms way up high, just like we did in our African safari, and then glide from one side to the next. Wow, look at that. You're stretching your arms up high and you're gliding from one side to the next. Well, I think I can manage that. I can stretch my arms way up high and glide from one side to the next. All right, you think I can do it? All right, I got a good feeling about this one, guys. All right, let's see if I can do it. Here we go. I'm going to stretch my arms way up high. I'm going to move from one side to the next. Am I gliding? I've got my... Oh, wait, my arms aren't stretched. What if I do this? Is that gliding? I'm moving from one side to the next, but my arms aren't up high. Okay, you know what? how about we just try the last one? The hooting monkey. How about you show me how to hop up and down just like a hooting monkey? Wow, thanks for your words of encouragement, friends. You guys are so understanding and so patient even when I'm starting to feel a little bad about myself. Now, it's important to try not to start to feel bad about yourself. It's all right if it takes a long time to learn something new. Sometimes you've got to practice and practice and practice and keep practicing. But it really helps when you've got supportive friends like you. All right, let's try the final animal, a hooting monkey. Can you show me how to hop up and down with your body, just like a hooting monkey? Here we go. Hop, 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 hop. Wow, you are an incredible hooting monkey. Can you make some monkey sounds? Wow. Wow, look at you hopping here, there and everywhere, making all those monkey sounds with your body. I wonder if I can do that with my body. I wonder if I can hop up and down and make some monkey sounds. All right, with my 2 feet, I'm gonna hop up and down. Here we go. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Is this like a monkey? I'm moving my 2 feet up. No, it's not like a monkey. Okay. Well, what if all right, I need to be hopping. Okay. I can try to hop. I can hop. All right, here we go. I'm going to hop. Am I hopping? I'm kind of jumping, okay, from side to side. All right, but not up and down. Okay, up and down, up and down, up and down. I can handle up and down. I can do a little up and down. Can you show me one more time what a monkey looks like jumping up and down? And go. Hop, hop. Okay, I can do that. Here we go. Is that right? Kind of. Not quite right. Well, I've tried to turn my body into gliding giraffe and hooting monkey and slithering snake and a bunch of other animals, but I'm really starting to struggle. And you guys have been such excellent friends, really helping me to try to practice and being so understanding and encouraging. You know what? This reminds me of a book, one of my favourite stories. Sometimes when I'm feeling a little sad or uncertain, I like to stop, sit and read a book. Do you guys think we can read it together? Oh, excellent! All right, let's read the story.